Are you interested in turning your old car into a speedy EV? Let me show you how. I just spent the weekend at Mr. G's garage converting a gas-powered truck to EV. It was an awesome experience and I'd like to share it with you. This project started over the summer when we dropped an engine and transmission from a Daihatsu mini truck.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure.
It was a lot of work, but very fun.
Good job, everybody.
We started working on it again this weekend. First, we had to spend time in the classroom learning about what we were going to do. I didn't know we were going to have to go to school over the weekend. We worked through the entire electrical schematic so we would know what all of the parts of the EV truck would do. Then we had some hands-on learning. We used multimeters to check voltage, amps, and resistance of different circuits. We learned about how different materials conduct electricity. We learned about fuses, and we also learned about electromagnetism.
It works!
Yeah, there you go, dude.
Wait, it's doing it. Why?
It's actually welded.
Then we went to the truck and worked on all of the wiring for the different components. We spent a lot of time working on the BMS, or the battery management system. The BMS monitors all the batteries and makes sure that they're all at the correct voltage. Then we worked on the charging system. We made sure it could charge and also stop charging when the batteries were at capacity. Once everything was where it should be, we powered things on to test the electronics.
It worked!
Yes!
Yeah, alright.
Yes! Then we worked on our mechanic skills. We had to connect the electric motor to the adapter plate, which connected everything to the old transmission.
What is that, bud?
It's something that's super heavy.
Once that was all together, we prepared it to mount to the underside of the truck.
It's in!
We got the truck on the lift, lifted it up, then brought the motor and transmission underneath to mount it. Once it was bolted into place, we just had to connect a bunch of wires.
So let's see it.
There we go.
Okay, good.
The motor's all in. Yay!
All right,
And that's it. We brought the truck back down, turned it on, and pushed on the accelerator.
Fast.
It works!
Yeah!
Now it's time for a test drive.
It's pretty good.
Whew, this was a lot, but working with Mr. G and the rest of the guys, it really wasn't as hard as I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's pretty fast. It's good.
What a great weekend. Maybe I'll try and do it on my own soon. See you guys in the next J&J Computer Repair video.